Hello everyone, in this video, we'll talk about how to send a video to someone else without losing its quality. Have you ever tried to share a high quality video with someone but don't want to compromise on its resolution or clarity? Let's explore some methods to send videos without losing any kind of quality. There are many ways to do it. Let's start with how to send it on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp, go to the person's chat that you want to send the video. Here, click on the paper pen icon and press on Document. Now click on Browse Document, and as it says, you can send a document with an overall size of 2 GB. Now click on the file that you want to send, and that's it. You can send all the videos that you want without losing any quality. The other way to do it is Google Drive. Open Google Drive and press on the plus icon. Press on Upload. Here, just click on the video that you want to send. Wait for it to upload, and when it's done, click on it. Click on Share, and now you can send this link to anyone you want, and there would be no loss in quality whatsoever. The other way for in-person transfers, consider using a USB drive or a cable to directly transfer the video file from your device to the recipient's device. And there you have it, multiple ways to send videos without compromising quality or losing resolution. Choose the method that suits your needs and start sharing your high quality videos without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on the video and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. Bye.